Well, hello there, guys. Eh, it's Lil Yoke here, I guess. Or Silly Lily. I don't know which YouTube I'm gonna pounce post this on. As you can see, I've been bubble chatted because I was being stupid, and I was talking about YouTube on Animal Jam. And I firmly messaged Animal Jam about this situation. Um, don't, don't, don't talk about YouTube on Animal Jam. I told them, tell people not to do that. Because I felt really bad. So yeah. I guess we're gonna do some trading. Also, I would like to, tell people to go to this. Please subscribe to her. She's been a victim of this whole YouTube slander. Also, rules. Rule number 3. Don't even give your online info to people online, okay? AJ says trust no one, so you should believe what they say always. So yeah. Let's go trading. That sounds fun. There's like no one here. That's really sad. I think that's sad anyways. There's no pause button on the thing anymore, so I gotta figure out how to close this thing. Okay. I'm struggling with this thing. But anyways, let's do some trading, man. Oh, Cammy. I love Cammies. So I guess I'll be trading some stuff for this Cammy. I personally am not a really good trader. Like, at all. Watch them decline this. I literally go to the Forgotten Desert just to get, like, some trading fodder. That's literally all I do. They're just staring at it. They decline the trade. I told you. I'm not very good at trades. Let's see. I think we should play a game, you know. But yeah, Hector is taking away my only pride and joy. So we're gonna do some glitches since they broke my heart. So Phantom Fortress. I'm not allowed to do adventures anymore. Oops, I clicked too hard. See, this glitch still works. It's like my favorite one. Damn. I'm gonna do the box one. Because all I really want is another slingshot. So the Phantom Portal. It's too hard. Yeah. I'm gonna keep trying. This is gonna be really random videos and this is like my first one. You know. Wait, before I need to get a grasp of where my falcon is. It's right there, so I'm gonna switch my animals. I need to go straight there. See, this is gonna aggravate crap out of me because I like talking to myself. And I can't do that because Animal Jam took that away from me for being, you were being stupid. Of course not, we're gonna I'm not gonna give you anything. Which is like, that said something there. So, yeah. This is what it's like to try to keep doing this over and over again. Okay, I was just checking my emails, hoping Animal Jam would message me back. They're obviously not, because it's like 12 o'clock at night. Obviously they won't message me. I wonder if this glitch even still works. So let me get this one small size thing. It went in. Dang, that was so close. Yeah. Here's my friend. She was doing a giveaway. This is the whole reason why we're here, actually, recording, because we messed up big time. I'm gonna go to my friend's, tomorrow. Well, yeah, we're gonna go with my cousin, more or less, and we're gonna go shopping together. And we're gonna have... You just caught on to my drift. I don't think this works anymore. Let me go trade some other jammers. Because I can't have fun anymore, because AJ doesn't like fun. Which is not playing the game the way it was intended. I know, how cool. Cruel. Ooh, this person does art. Do they really? Oh yeah, they really do art. That's really good, actually. That's even better, I think. Oh, no. I like the first one better. Reminds me of Edward Scissorhands. We'll go, like, Bunny's art, okay? Because Bunny is pretty darn cool. Well, that's my today's episode of Late Night Animal Jams. Yeah, so Book Wild Works is trying to get into your brain, so have a good night, because it's 11:30 at night. I'm really excited for Monday because I made so many gifts for my friends. I just love giving gifts. You know what? We're gonna go into a while and just gift random people. Oh, it's okay. Is that okay? It's broken. Okay. So, okay, this random person. Zinc tight. You get to enjoy a rare item. Here you go. Good day. Animal Jam does not log. Animal Jam is a jail where you cannot express yourself. Did you just not let me see my rare? Yes, I'm sure I would. to sell my soul. Okay. Mostly owls. I say I'm mostly deers. Oh yeah, and guys, you should check out my trading post. I'll do these gifting segments at the end of every video because why not? I think it's sweet, so I'm gonna do it anyway. So yeah, good night. And enjoy yourself, you know? Don't let not being able to speak bother the crap out of you. Good night, jammers.